Here's a 2016 Mercedes-Benz GLE. The M-Class has been renamed, and with the new moniker comes even more performance, luxury, and safety. The body has been tweaked with a twin power dome hood, redesigned headlights with LED daytime running lamps, sculpted fenders, and full LED tail lamps. The premium interior lighting, sunroof, polished wood trim, and hand-fitted upholstery invite you into a world of luxury, while Bluetooth and the command system with touchpad controller keep you informed and entertained. And while you're enjoying the quiet and comfortable ride, this GLE is always on alert for unexpected moments with attention assist, crosswind assist, and Pre-Safe Plus, which instantly prepares your vehicle for an accident. Make the drive one you wish would never end. Come and test drive this GLE today.